As any nurse can tell you, hospitals are noisy places. Staff hear thousands of alerts and alarms every day, causing undue stress to patients while critical information gets lost in the noise. Starling is a new company from Colin Coogan and Joel Corelitz, sonic UX specialists on a mission to help product designers use sound more effectively. At the sound agency Listen, Colin and Joel worked with Intuitive to create a sonic UX system for their Vinci surgical robot to provide efficient and effective feedback to surgeons. This system could scale down for tactile interactions, or scale up for critical feedback, and provide clarity by mimicking real-world interactions. The system also included a startup chime, forming the basis of a sonic logo for marketing and media. The result was more signal, less noise, strategically guiding surgeon interactions while building the Intuitive brand.